Hello students, welcome naman sa online tutorial natin. So for problem number 5, we have the find the equation daw, the family of curves whose slope at any point x and y is equal to the reciprocal of the product of the coordinates. Equal to the reciprocal of the product of the coordinates. Reciprocal of the product. When we say reciprocal, that's 1 over x, 1 over y, ganyan. Now, product of the coordinates obviously x and y. So, pag sinabi nating product of the coordinate, xy. And then, pag sinabi nating reciprocal, then 1 over xy. Therefore, the slope should be equal to 1 over xy. Okay, ganun lang. And then, ano yung gagawin natin? We will group, no? Actually, from your soon, di ba, meron kayong differential equations na subject. Ang tawag dito is variable separable. But, yun, that's maybe next time. Okay? But for now, anyway, ang gagawin natin very easily, just actually group the same variable. So, ang y, ilagay natin sa left side, x, ilagay natin sa right side. So, this will become y dy, diba? And then, itong itong dx dyan. So, yan. Okay? I hope agree kayo the way we group this one. So, and then, ang next na gagawin natin is integrate both sides. So, this will become integral of y dy. And then, ito naman, this will become integral of 1 over x dx. Okay? And then, ang integral ng y, nakuha natin yan kanina, that's y squared over 2. Sorry, y squared over 2. And then, equal sa integral ng 1 over x. Meron tayo nito. That should be equal to ln x plus c. Okay, so this must be equal to ln of absolute value of x. Okay, and then plus c. Sige. So, I think that's it. Ito na yung equation natin. But, for sure, for sure dito sa book, mas simplified pa siguro. So, I will multiply, ang gagawin ko, I'll multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So, this will become, yan. Yan. And then, this is 2c. And then, after yan, ililipat ko itong y squared. So, bali, sa kabila. So, bali yung equation ko magiging ganito. And then, minus y squared. Okay, so I think ito yung nasa book. I'm not sure, but ang maganda dito is, since meron tayong book, meron tayong answer key dito. Ay, sorry, nakalimutan ko, equals 0. Equals 0 pala to. Mali. This time, ang ginawa sa book, ang ginawa niya is itong ito yung nandito sa book. Okay, hindi. Yung nandito sa book, ang nandito sa book, ito, instead of ganito, actually, ito, okay na to tama na to. Okay din ito, tama din to. But ang ginawa sa book is, instead of 2 ln x, kinuha niya yung 2. And then, dito niya nilagay sa square. I hope alam din niyo yan properties of yung mga logarithmic functions. ln a to the power b is just equal to b ln a, parang ganyan. Okay, so anyway, ito yung ginamit, ito yung answer na nasa book, which is actually the same lang kahit saan dyan sa tatlo. Sige, so again, if I'll be yung instructor, ito, tanggap ko na to. But pwede din to. But if, basta, kahit saan dito sa tatlo, okay na. Okay, sige. So, I think that's it. If you have any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem natin, which is problem number 6.